Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today is my day 8 of speaking English challenge for 21 days. So today I want to talk about, have you ever feel underconfident while speaking English or something odd? Because usually some people face this problem because of confidence and because they have don't enough knowledge, and that's why they feel always underconfident. So if I talk about myself, so when I was in school, so that time I was very introvert and underconfident girl. I didn't participate any program, and it could be anything. I just felt always underconfident. I don't know why. So it could be anything, but I faced so many problems that time. So that is why uh, once I uh, went in my college, so that time I tried to improve myself because I was very underconfident. So that is why I worked upon my personality, and now I am little bit confident because if I want to speak English and anything, so I uh, try to say anything confidently. Because if you have knowledge and you don't have any confidence, so I think your knowledge is zero front of other. Because if you don't have confidence, so confidence play a crucial role in your personality. So that is why I want to talk about this. Because guys, if we have enough knowledge in English, so if we want to talk person to person, so that time we don't have enough confidence to convey our thought. So I think second person always thought he and she don't have enough knowledge about English, and it could be anything. So that is why if we want to develop our personality, so confidence is very important. Because right now if I talk about myself, so I'm not very confident, but right now I can say I can convey my thought front of camera. Because if I talk about to convey with the other, so that time I also feel underconfident because of I don't know why, but I think that's why we thought we have a lack of knowledge about English. So I think therefore we always feel underconfident. So I think if we can explain anything confidently, so we can uh, develop our personality day by day. Because if always we feel underconfident, so I think it it can defect your uh, skills. So that is why we should focus on ourselves every day and try to learn something mm, new and try to be confident. Because I want to talk about, if we always thought negative ourselves and uh, we don't send positive affirmation towards our mind, always we thought negative. So I think uh, this can affect your personality. So that is why if you don't have enough knowledge English, so you don't need to feel shy. Because no one is going to judge you here. Though we sometimes feel we have not enough knowledge about English, so that's why we feel lack of confidence. But I think no one is going to notice you if you try to explain confidently. So no one is notice you, no matter how much mistake you do in particular video and in front of other. Because if you have a have confidence to explain anything in front of other, so no one is going to judge you. Because we always think in our mind negative ourselves. Because if we thought always positive about ourselves, so we can do many things in our life. But we always thought negative, so that is the major thing in our life. So guys, today I want to talk about this. But though I am not very confident, because I also feel sometimes underconfident and shy in front of other, and even front of camera. But I want to explain these all things with you. If you are a totally beginner, so you don't need to feel shy and underconfident. Try to enhance and try to develop something day by day, and later then you definitely feel confident. Because earlier my situation was very pathetic, and if I talk about all things, so you might surprised because my situation is really pathetic. I was very introvert girl, and right now I can little bit, I can say myself ambivert, but I was very introvert girl that time. So guys, so what is the purpose of making this video? Because I want to say all things in English and I have to complete this challenge. So that's why I want to talk only in English. So if this video is going to help you somewhere, so guys, please keep support and keep learning. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then,